how to make Pinterest account public. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Pinterest account public. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Pinterest app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu that appears, you can just select settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you can just select profile visibility option. And now here in this section, you'll see the option labeled as private profile. So here, if you have toggled on this option, you can just toggle it off and it will make your Pinterest account public. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.